beige, and today I have this orange sunset look for you guys using both the Milani Luster Light and Gilded Nude palettes. Y'all, this look is so fire. Like, I surprised myself, okay? But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you like this video and hit the subscribe button if you like my content. Also, leave a comment down below if you want to say hi to me. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the brows done and cleaned up. I am adding my concealer on my lid, getting ready to add shadow. Today I did start off with my primer, adding my primer in early because I wanted to add a lot to try and decrease the smile lines that I have. So now I'm going to move on to just getting that all blended out. And as I always say, guys, make sure this is smooth. So you want to blend it out as good as possible. And now moving on to eyeshadow, starting off with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm going to pack this shadow in. Today I am trying something a little bit different. It is a no cut crease look, and it came out really good, you guys. Like, this is one of my best looks, I think. So once we have that orange shade all packed in, I wanted to go in and like deepen that shade up a little more. So using the Morphe 3502 palette, I grabbed an orange shade from there and packed that onto the crease of my lid as well. Trying to just enhance the orange shadow that's there. Now moving on to the Milani Gilded Nude palette, I'm going to take this orangish yellowish shimmer shadow and I'm going to put that in between, or like really on top of this orange shadow here. And now we're going to move on to the Milani Luster Light palette, and we're going to use this light, like yellowish shimmer shadow or gold shimmer shadow here, and put that on the inner corner of our eyes. Y'all see how this is coming together? Y'all see how that's blending? Oh my gosh, look at that. And you guys know the drill. After color correcting and powdering, I move on to foundation. We're just gonna go ahead and stamp this on. I am a full coverage girl, if you guys did not already know that. Gotta use the sponge for that extra blendage. Now to add my bronzer slash contour. Then move on to highlighting, which is my favorite part. I always highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And newly added above my lip. Alright, so once the contour and highlights added, I always blend out my contour first, and then do the highlight only to allow the highlight to set a little bit, so it doesn't move as much. Now just a bunch of blending. Yo, if you guys made it this far in my video, drop a purple heart in the comments for me. Let me see who's actually watching my videos. Show a girl some love, you feel me? Once I'm done with that part, I further blend out the two with my foundation brush, just so that it's a smooth transition between highlight and contour. And now you want to powder your entire face, starting with the highlighted area first. With the highlighted areas under my eye, I press the powder in to my skin. To me, it just looks better. It looks more smooth and natural. I'm not a baker at all, so that's why you guys usually see me just pressing that powder in. And then I go over with the brush and remove any excess. Once I'm done setting, I go in with the powder contour from the Black Radiance palette. I go in with the lighter shade and then the darker shade for my cheeks. And now for blush, I use the Watch Me Blush palette. I used the orange shade today for this orange sunset look. Then I'm going to go through and smoke out this orange shade on my bottom lash line. And I almost forgot the nose contour, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the lighter shade in the Black Radiance palette and brush that on the edges of my nose to create this contoured look for you guys. And then here, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some black liner to my waterline. And you guys know, to get those cheekbones even more snatched, just add a little line of powder right underneath. That'll just make them look more pronounced and snatched, yes. Now reset, I am using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. And now I'm going to use that highlight from the Black Radiance Contour Palette. Before popping on lashes, I add my lash glue to my lash line, and then I add mascara and pop on the lashes right onto that glue. Y'all, so I didn't forget to add the bottom lash mascara. And for lips, I use my go-to lip liner from Milani in the shade Rich Cocoa. And then today I actually used a orange concealer as my lip color. And then I went to add on some gloss, which I used the, what is it called? The Honey lip gloss from NYX. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want to talk. And then I will see you next time.